All right, hey everyone. Today's the day. We've finally got the KR exhaust. I've already opened it because I just had to make sure it was all sort of in one piece. But yeah, looks fucking sick. So we're just gonna do a quick little sound check before. Car's pretty much just done warmed up. Just gonna set the tripod up here. Got the roller door open obviously because I don't want to fucking die and kill myself. Alright, do a quick little sound check for you guys on the stock system. So, I mean, you know, it sounds alright. Still got the dent, we'll fix that next year. Turn it off. Obviously, all you can hear right now is just intake noise from the our racing intake that we got from the US, which is still absolutely loving it. My Temu HKS little key band, I'll chuck that there. Let's get this out. I've got the camera on the tripod. Just gotta remember how to use a tripod. So doing the install at work, we've got access to some quick lift, easy lift, I can't remember what it's called, but I'll show you guys that soon. So we'll jack the car up. I'm just gonna get the exhaust out and just sort of unbox it properly and then just lay it out on the floor, I guess, and just show you guys what it looks like. And then that way also I can see what it looks like, because I have not gotten further than actually opening the box and just having a quick squeeze at the tips. So let's get into it. Open her up, see what she looks like. Stickers, I fucking love stickers. Beautiful. So this I got through an importer. It was just over $2,000, including duties, shipping, which I think is still pretty good. Brand new stock wasn't available, so this was pretty much made to order. This was made in the December batch, just gone, and then it was shipped with DHL. It was shipped on a Friday, and then it arrived on the following Monday. So that's quick, really good. So we'll put this here. I'll put it on this table just behind the camera. Awesome. Oh, okay, so that's, yeah, that makes sense. So that's the connecting part. I mean, just look how, I'm gonna put some gloves on because I don't really want to get my oily hands on. So I'm just gonna put some gloves on, I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Gloves, fuck yeah. My fucking $100 AliExpress special watch. Alright, well, let's have a look at this connecting part, because just even through the plastic it looks nice with just the burnt sort of titanium finishes around some of the welds. Just looks pretty. Whoa! I mean, like, the quality of finish on this is so nice. Awesome. That's the rear section, so that nothing goes that way. Fucking awesome, huh? Look at that! Look at that! Blue protective film obviously has to come off. I'll bring her up. It's got some protection on the tips. I mean, how good does this look? So that is that side, and then the shorter side here. Makes sense. It's got like a little inscription on it. Just gonna hold it there so you guys can maybe read it and pause it. Very cool. Nice. Side to complete our setup. YouTube thumbnail. We'll get them on. Already done the sound check before. I'm not really going to do too many stock sound checks because I mean, there's a lot of those videos that already exist. So I'm just going to not worry about that too much. Enough chit chat. Let's get the car on a lift. Let's get this fucking exhaust on. I'm keen. Get keen. Let's go. Here's our thumbnail. Did I get enough thumbnail posted? Clickbait thumbnail. Alright, well that sucks. We're going to have to do this the old school way. Alright, here we are under the car. So you can see what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3. Those are actually holding the exhaust mounts in. I'm just going to unbolt these 3 on each side because I don't want to stuff around with it too much. I've got one off, as you can see, on the left side there, and then the other one is like right up against, what is that? I don't know. Look, it's for the car, obviously. Could get that last one off. Then the exhaust hangers are off of the back section. Then we're just going to unbolt these 3 on each side, and then drop the muffler. Have a look at the muffler. I'm even going to weigh the muffler on our weights for our pallets, and we're going to have a look at the weight difference as well. So one more to go. I'll keep you updated, and then I'll give you guys a look. All right. Well, almost lost my hand. No, joking. Just got caught on the screwdriver. So we dropped the rear muffler. Finally, just gonna. So got the nuts off. They're over here. They're the spring ones. I've just put this under this because there's no tension on this, so that's just going to drop to the floor, and this is pushing up against the bumper. So that's just taking off stress from the bumper. Now I can move freely. Just going to remove these 3 bolts on each side, and then the exhaust is off. Almost there. I accidentally locked the phone as I started recording. So we've got all the bolts out. You can see on the right side and the left side. They're all done. Exhaust is off. Oh, I've fucking done that perfectly, haven't I? Oh, it's heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it'd be. Old exhaust. And the Kakimoto. Fantastic. About 19 kilos for the factory rear mufflers. Very cool. I gotta do it for a bit of a gag. I'm gonna start her up without the rear mufflers on. Now I know that there are actually people out there who that's your exhaust setup. Please stop. Go get a muffler because it sounds fucking awful. You can't convince anyone that it sounds good. That sounds terrible. Please go and fix your exhaust. All right, so the plan now, I've taken off the rubber mounts off the old exhaust, and we're going to put them on the new exhaust. Nice and carefully so I don't scratch anything. Alright, well let's go get the rear section on. This bad boy, mount her up and get this thing on. Alright, as you can see, don't really understand how titanium finished these tips are until you remove the protective plastic. Like I had a titanium exit exhaust on the Evo, but like even that wasn't as fucking titanium finish as this is. This is like so over the top visually. That is so pretty. In person, that looks so nice. Fucking beautiful. Let's get her on. Oh man. Very cool. Can't wait to start it up. All right, I'll be under the car, tighten these up. I'll see you guys for a new exhaust startup. Bang. We're on. Whoa. All right, let's let the car warm up. I'm gonna clean up and we'll go for a drive.